Hello and welcome to V.Z Pro 3. If someone has blocked you on WhatsApp, you cannot send them a message directly through WhatsApp. WhatsApp is designed to protect users' privacy, so once you're blocked, your messages will not be delivered. You won't see last seen, online status, or profile photo changes. You won't be able to call them through WhatsApp either. Previously, if you wanted to send a message to someone who blocked you on WhatsApp, the trick was to create a new group and add the contact. But now that trick can no longer be used, because someone who blocked your number cannot be added to the group that you have created. Then how can you send a message to someone who has blocked our WhatsApp? So, in this guide, I'll walk you through how to send message to blocked WhatsApp. Let's get started. Before that, you should know, if these methods only work if the person unblocks you or you find a way to communicate outside WhatsApp. There is no ethical or official way to bypass a block on WhatsApp. 1. Use a different phone number. If you have another phone number, or can create a virtual number using apps like Google Voice or TextNow, you can register a new WhatsApp account and try reaching out. Steps. Log out of your main WhatsApp and register using the new number, or install WhatsApp Business on the same phone. Add the contact and try sending a message. Important. This should only be done with respectful intent. If they block your second number too, that is a clear signal to stop. 2. Ask a mutual friend to help. One of the most common and non-invasive ways to reconnect is by asking a mutual friend or family member to check if the person is okay, help you convey your message, or create a WhatsApp group with both of you in it. In group chats, you can still communicate even if the other person has blocked you individually. But remember, they can leave the group at any time. 3. Use another platform, SMS, email, or social media. Sometimes the best way to reconnect is to use another communication platform, such as sending a respectful text message, SMS, sending an email, messaging on Instagram, Facebook, or Telegram if you're connected there. Be polite, explain yourself briefly, and leave the door open. Don't pressure them into replying. If none of the above options are appropriate or successful, it may be best to respect their boundaries and give it time. Blocking often happens in the heat of an argument or emotional moment. After a few days or weeks, the person may decide to unblock you, especially if you give them space and avoid pushing. What you should never do: don't try to hack WhatsApp, use fake apps, or download unblocked tools. They're dangerous, violate WhatsApp's terms of service, and may expose your data to hackers. Don't create multiple fake accounts or spam the person through groups or other contacts. Never harass or intimidate someone who has blocked you. It's not only unethical, it can be illegal. Being blocked on WhatsApp can feel personal and upsetting. But remember, everyone has the right to manage their digital space. If you're genuinely trying to reconnect, do so with respect, empathy, and patience. And if the person clearly doesn't want contact, the best thing you can do is move on and focus on your own growth. So, I think that's enough for this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comment sections below. And if this video helped you out, don't forget to give thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial video. Thanks for watching and see you on the next video.